What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the bevel and emboss text in the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the very first step you need to do is you can go to this composition, click this one and new composition and click OK. So this will be the, let's say, the blank paper or the blank space to create our project. And for example, you can start to put your text over here. I will type here bevel and emboss like this, and to change the position here I will start to go to the selection tool and give it a double click and hold it into the position you want, for example this one. And after that you can start to go to this layer and layer styles and click this bevel and emboss. And after that you can start to go to this bevel and emboss settings over here. And after that I will start to change something over here, for example this depth I will change it to become 246 and enter. And the next thing will be the size down here, change it to become 10, enter. And for the soften, this one I will change it to become 5. And the next thing will be the highlight opacity, this one you can change it to become 80 like this. And for the shadow opacity down here, I will change it to become 33 and enter. And finally this will be the bevel and emboss we have. And the last thing or the last touch you need to do is give it the right click and pre-compose and make sure that this move all attribute into the new composition being activated and click OK. And finally this will be the bevel and emboss effect or the style into the text we have. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.